Okay, today I'm going to show you how to use the pen tool to create nice lines and shapes from just using a click. So on the pen tool here, you're going to click here, you're going to be able to select here, 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 and here. And you'll notice the inside is white because this fill is white. Now, if I was to go in and put a stripe through right here, it'll make the fill not show. I'll do the same thing on here, click, click, go back for a second. Right, you'll notice that it's not filled, even though you can see because I have perfect lines. So the next thing I want to do is when I want to do a curve, a Bezier curve, I click on my angles and I'm gonna hold down on the click halfway through. Right, you notice how it gives me a nice line. Same thing, I'll hold down to make sure I have my Bezier curve where I want it. Right, kind of mess with that a little bit, and there goes your curve. So I want to go in and I want to kind of figure out what I want to do for each curve. I can use different features I want. You can use just like the game that you guys play and be able to click in certain areas, right? And you can always go back and change things when you put the handles on. So don't be perfect as far as trying to get the perfect line, because you can always go back and work with the Bezier tool and the handles that's on the Bezier tool. So as I'm going through and I'm working on my curves, right, you can worry about certain things and aspects of what I'm trying to get. There you go. Finish this up, turn it in. You do that, go to File, Save As. Save as trace, but you want to put your ID number in the beginning. PDF file, click save, then turn it in.